Okay, to remove the driver's seat, we're going to move it all the way forward. We're going to take a flathead screwdriver and we're going to stick it up underneath here, and then we're going to twist it and pop it up. Now going in from the rear, we're going to go ahead and we'll just pull back on this, and that will release the little pushy that's down inside there. Now we need to remove one Phillips screw that's right there. Now with my ratchet and my extension on there underneath the plastic, I can remove my Torx 50 out of there. The reason that I did it this way is because I don't want to take off the handles because I have a tendency to break them.
Now moving the seat all the way forward.
I can come in through the rear with the pick tool or a flathead screwdriver and pop up my little pushies to remove the plastic covers. And there are 3 pushies. With the cover pushies removed, I can expose the 15mm bolt. Now I can remove my 15mm bolts. Now we're going to pop off the plastic cover that will expose our front bolt. Our 2 front bolts are 15mm and they're located here and there. One is facing that way and the other is facing down. Now we can tilt our seat all the way back and get to our electrical connection on the bottom. Our electrical connector is right here, and we need to push up on that tab and then separate the 2 halves. With the 2 halves separated, we need to remove it from the wire loom, and then we can easily remove our front seat. I have my seat tilted all the way forward. Hopefully you guys found that quick, painless, and super simple. It didn't take me very long to take it out, obviously, for the 3-minute video. Please consider subscribing, clicking the notification, sharing my videos. If you got a question for me, hit me up on Clay's AC and Auto Repair on the Facebook. I'll happily try to answer your automotive-related needs. Remember, if anyone else can do it, you can do it too. Don't be the next to them. Be the first to you. God bless. Have a great day.